We've reached the next stage of this renovation project, installation of the drywall. The drywall was delivered to site today and distributed along the main floor. All the drywall is on site so that the installers can come in the next couple of days, start installation, and complete the entire house. Let's check it out. All the drywall has been installed in the various floors. So this is the basement drywall. It's all completed, as well as taping. Taping commenced a few days ago and looks like the second coat is installed. Just gonna have to do the third coat and it's ready for priming of the walls. So the basement here is completed. The main floor drywall is also completed. As you can see, all the pot lights and speakers have been cut out and all the walls drywall has been installed. Family room area here and the main living areas over here. There's only this one area around the fireplace. There's going to be some cement board installed here just before the fireplace is installed, probably in the next couple of weeks. But other than that, the main floor is also completed and the second floor drywall is completed as well in the master bedroom. So the main seating area of the master bedroom, the main sleeping area over here, the master bathroom, and the master closet. So all the drywall has been installed where it has to be installed, and now the taping is ongoing, as you can see. Once that's completed, on to the next stage, which will be the priming of the walls and the interior finishing stages, the flooring, the trim, and a few other things. So we're well on our way now with finishing of the interior of this reno.